Hello good people, welcome to the Kenotis Haven. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to like, to comment and to share. Now on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to assemble a diffuser stroke a humidifier. Let's get started. Now here is our humidifier, our essential oils and some water. And I also have a screwdriver to put on the socket, okay? Now I got this humidifier from China Square. Be sure to check out the video below because we're going to tag it and you'll see all the good things that we got from there. I said we got this one for 400 bob. It's a strawberry essential oil, and we got another one for rainforest at 400 bob. This was going for 2200 around there. I'm not sure. Now let's unpack. It comes with a charger. And this is how the box looks like. A manual, of course. I'm gonna keep that here. And the humidifier is wrapped. And there we go. Now, this is how you open it. And it has a jar to put in some water. And this is a lid. Basically, that's a lid. You can't pick it with this one, like you can't lift it with this one. With this lid, you have to hold it from the bottom, like this, at the bottom. Now, for those who don't know the importance of a humidifier, it helps with sinuses, alleviates dry skin and dry hair, helps with sinuses, helps with snoring. It alleviates the snoring. There are a lot of benefits, and you can Google them. I won't mention all of them today. And that's it, guys. So the first step will be putting some water with this jar. I'm gonna put just enough. I'm gonna put 2. Oh, that was enough. I'm gonna put 2. And then I'm going to add 3 drops of this essential oil. Now for the water that I've put, this is supposed to last for 3 hours thereabout for when using continually. Now if you pause, it can go for some hours, and that's it. So I'm going to put this essential oil, 4 to 5 drops. That's 1, 2, yeah, that's enough. Let me add just a little, and that's it. So I'm going to cover it like that, and then connect the charger to the power source. Now the power inlet is at the bottom, and I'm just going to put it there. That's it, guys. I'm going to turn it on. This is where you turn it on. Can you see the color? Yeah, it's already working. Looks really nice. And this one is for the light. It's already on. And that's it, guys. Now, if you want to change the color, this is where you press. Can you see? Green, red, purple, green again. Each color has 2 variants, like a lighter shade of blue and blue. See? Blue, another shade of blue, purple, a lighter shade of purple, green, a lighter shade of green. So we're gonna put purple, and that is it. So I hope, guys, that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to check our other videos. We have a lot of them. And see you on the next one. Bye bye.